Daddy has his ID and his ticket. Show me your ID and your ticket. Okay. Apparently the children are doing a theater. Okay. What booth is over here?
Ice cream kids. And you need to give me your name tags. Not yet, though.
Not
1, 2,
yet?
3, 4,
Okay,
5.
what do we have to do then first?
You have to pick your foods from this booth and that booth.
Oh, before over there.
And we'll say what we're going to talk about.
Okay.
Welcome to Food Galaxy. What would you like today? Popcorn chips are only $3. Coca-Cola clone, $2. Candy Dark Side, $2. Pizza Vader, $4. And Cookie Lightsaber, $1. What would you like?
I will have a Pizza Vader.
Okay, that's $4. What do you want, Dad?
One of everything.
One of everything. Okay, that's $4 plus another $4. So 3, 6. Okay, I'm gonna need a piece of paper.
Just change your order.
Okay, that'll be
How about just a popcorn chip?
okay, popcorn chip. Popcorn chip and a
Pizza Vader.
So $7 would be your money. Thank you. There you go.
Apparently I paid for you too. Oh, thank you.
And you can go on.
Okay.
Oh, and also your change.
Oh, I got change? Okay.
40 cents. There you go. You can go on to your next room. Ice cream kids. Would you like Ice Cream Vader, Jedi Sundae, Starship Cone, Galaxy Twist, Clone Smoothie, or bonus with bone? Or would you like any of these with the bonus blueberry topping? Ice Cream Vader, $2. Jedi Sundae, $5. Starship Cone, $1. Galaxy Twist, $5.99. Clone Smoothie, $3. And berry topping, 1 cent per pound.
1 cent per pound. Wow. That's really cheap.
LB. It's an LB. Pound.
Yes, I know. It's LB. Means
What
pound.
would you like?
I will have a Galaxy Twist. No blueberry topping for me, please.
And $5.99, please. What would you like?
Starship cone.
Starship Cone. It's going
$1. Do you want any blueberry topping? It's only 1 cent per pound for blueberries.
How many pounds would you like a blueberry?
5.
5.
5 cents, please. 105. Oh, don't forget your name. Okay, your change will be 10 cents.
Thank you.
That'll be 50 cents. Okay, time for the... Okay.
Oh, name tags?
Wait. Name tags. Give me your name tags. And here's your ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Here's your ice cream.
Thank you. Daddy, name tag.
Thank you. Cha-ching, cha-ching. You guys are all set. Okay.
Thank you.
I forgot my snapper. Snapper. There you go. Don't forget the name tag, Jamie. I didn't. Oh, okay. That's good. And you're all set.
Thank
Follow
you.
me. I'm going to start this movie. This is going to be sweet. This is a drug-free place. With food and drinks are allowed here.
I would hope so.
Quiet at your seats quiet at your seat if you are in the movie. So lame!
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. Oh, by the way, can you move over, please?
Okay.
Star Wars, the Revenge of the Sith. Joshua and Lightning was on a mission to save the Chancellor and stop Count Dooku from destroying Coruscant and save the galaxy.
Act 1, Part 3. Battle over Coruscant. Jamie, the name of real, is Joshua. Yes. And I, Joshua Bennell, the real one, is Lightning. Ouch! That hurt my ears! Sorry. Lightspeed, go! Lightspeed, go! Wow! Thank you.
and they're going through the giant ship of their own. And they destroyed 3 ships of their enemy. And they break through a giant enemy starship. Once lightning has shot a giant buzz droid holder, a buzz droid popped to her, and pop.
What the? I'm mad, but I can fly still. That's a good thing. Let's go.
Let's go!
Uh-oh.
As she landed, he was not
Oh.
and conscious for a minute.
I'm okay.
Whoa. If it isn't Josh and Lightning, I'm just starting the party.
Grievous!
Stop them!
Roger.
You
can't stop the most powerful Jedi in the galaxy.
Hiya!
As she does the karate kick, all the droids were destroyed. And later, when someone arrived from one of their ships,
You forgot that.
Look! We'll save the Chancellor in no time.
Later.
oh, they have popped out of the elevator by accident.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Phew, that's done. Let's go.
Let's go. We have time. Look!
Young man, over here! The dark side wins.
Not for long.
Slow motion. While lightning is not, which is scared, but force choked.
Stop!
Well, that's done.
Surrender, Jedi.
I gotta help Josh.
Ah, my hand! While his hand was cut, Josh took the lightsaber from him.
Well, that's it. I hope he's not killed back there. Oh, crud. I hope that's not him.
Did you say you just gave us a finger?
No. No,
Let's
he's using the Force.
go. We have to finish.
Uh-oh.
Robots, attack!
What robots? I can't see them. We're over here. Oh.
Attack!
Nice stunt, but I got this. Hi-ya! Slice away. Oh, that head got loose.
What the?
A headless robot that got stumbled. Oh, thanks, R2. I never know you can do a shock arm.
So long!
Say no.
No!
While still at the ship,
I want to go home.
What are you doing?
I push it a lot of times.
You mother.
At least I covered the last bad word. Well, at least we won.
Yeah.
Wait for me. I'm tired. Act 2, Part 3. Forearm attack.
Where am I?
Where I am.
Where I am.
Where Grievous is. Where lightning is going off. To meet his own commander, Commander Cody. One of the greatest clone troopers of Obi-Wan Kenobi.
General Lightning. Ow!
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright, let's go.
Look,
Stop right there.
you make a big bad habit.
Well then, let's battle.
I'll help you, sir. has been cut and dead, and he is loyal from the Unicron army. But the next part will be dangerous after this part.
Ah! My hand! Ugh. The laser gun.
You lose, Jedi!
Not yet.
While the shot killed him right to the heart, his body was been burned.
Got him. Yeah.
Act 3, Part 3, 4066 on Kashyyyk, home of the greatest Wookiees. And Chewbacca.
One of the Chewbacca pilots has controlled the ship and taken Lightning to the spot where Josh is.
Yo, man. Hey, man. Any luck? No. Are you sure? Yeah. That's okay. Let's go. Okay. What the?
Order 66 active. Kill all Jedi.
Falling asleep like every other movie.
Order 66. Attack!
While Dad is sleeping, he is very tired of watching the movie. And who is on TV? This is the Chancellor in disguise as the Sith Lord. Sith Lord is the dark side's greatest leader, and you don't want to mess with him. Order 66 attack!
Quick! Get the pie! Get to the pie! We can warn the others!
Oh, Jimmy, maybe the part is... Jimmy, ready.
Run! Go! Come on! I'll be back!
While a monster with a control eye wasn't looking at them, he was no use of beating them. While the torpedo walker has missed, fired, the Jedi has cut at him. But suddenly,
Ah!
15 minutes.
Hey,
They do hours of pool tournaments.
Yeah! Watch the back!
while a trap was set from the Wookiees, it would kill all the clone troopers at 4 and squash the bug.
That'll squash them.
And they made it to the boss level of Kashyyyk, the battle of the Battle Walker, the biggest one than the others. While Josh used the Force. I'll kill you!
Oh, no, you don't! Bye-bye, Luzacon. Hey, who? Boo! Ah! Don't do that. Sorry.
Act 4, Part 3, Darth Vader, the final part.
Here we are, bro. Let's go. Hey! Huh? Look out! What the? What was that? I can't watch. Whoa.
Hello, friend. You decide to come for me.
Hello, his number.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I have it.
Oh, it's a W.
Then let's battle for the galaxy. As the Sith Lord, greatest enemy Luke Skywalker wants the clone troopers, but now betraying all of the clone troopers' greatest enemy. The Dark Blade was been taken from the greatest Sith Lord's greatest second.
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Come and get me!
No way, man. I'm not going in that stuff. We have to, man. Josh, I'm over here. Come on.
Come on, let's fight!
This is you.
That was no way.
Get over here, you.
As his mind was controlling the knife, it would almost kill him or her.
Look out!
Bye-bye, Dad.
He killed you off.
Buddy.
Hey! At least we win again.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
He's fun again.
First bump. Dun 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 dun.
The end!
From Joshua and James. May the force be
Be
with
with
you.
you!
And also, thank you to our newest movie members, Jamie and Joshua. Me, Joshua. Her, Jamie. Thank you!
Yay!
And thanks for seeing the parts of foods and funny parts.
Bye-bye.
Can I go back to cleaning and decorating?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
As you killed off your father in the movie.
Well, it's actually Luke Skywalker with his scarred face. Make sure to come for the real movie. A new Star Wars movie will come up in 2015 or 16.